Hey YouTube, it's Brandon. Thinking about starting my own channel, focusing on bushcraft and related topics. The purpose of this video is just give you a tour of my base camp that I've been staying at. I'm in the Siuslaw National Forest in Oregon. Today we had a let up on the weather. It's been raining out for, I don't know, the last 5 days or so it's definitely been nice. Thought I'd shoot this video. Let's get started on this camp tour. I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. Right here we have my multi-purpose tripod. Right now it's being utilized for a shower, a place to dry my jacket, and a place to hold my shotgun. Let's take a gander over this way. And you can see right here, this is my drying station with my associated mess kit. Then we have my tarp set up over this way. Take a look inside my tarp. So, of course, we have my backpack. I have this raised bed that I put together. Give you a better look at that. Here you go. Get some socks drying right there. Underneath this raised bed, we have a small stash of wood. We have some cedar bark and some dried grass. Then we can take a look around this way. This is the view from inside my tarp. So you can see you got a nice reflector fire going. Here on the right side there's a place to do some cooking. And then this guy right here is a mechanism to hang pots. And you can see the chain right there. So let's continue this tour over this way. We have a table and a chair that I built. I got my bow drill set, bowl with utensils. And over this way we have my wood pile. Have some fat wood there, some cedar, and have some more grass. 5-gallon bucket full of rainwater. Gotta have a chopping block. Makes your life so much easier. Then I found this old pallet, burnt up pallet, and I decided to utilize it for a place to cut wood, and it works terrific. This back here is my storage area. It's kind of depleted of resources right now, but it's an awesome place to work and keep stuff. You got this rock right here. I use this to work out. So we're just going to show you real quick the small stream that is by my camp. I'm going to get my water from, at least when it's not raining out. So that was just a short walk over this way. See, it's nice and pretty, nice and green. It's one thing you gotta love about Oregon on the west side of the Cascade Mountains. Nice and green. Awesome ferns. Big trees. And so it's going right over here. You can hear it. Now you can see it. Right now it's probably 5 or 6 times higher than it was since it rained so much. It's about a foot or so deep right now. Just give you a little pan view of this area real quick. Going up. Seeing all these trees. Sorry about the little glare on the lens there. So there you have it, YouTube. A tour of my base camp. I hope you guys like it. I might be seeing you here in the future. And always remember, the prepared mind is a living mind. Catch you on the next one.